Vice President Sara Duterte is questioning the purpose of an interim release provision in the International Criminal Court if it could simply be denied. The ICC prosecution earlier opposed the request of former President Rodrigo Duterte for interim release to a still undisclosed country. In a media interview on Wednesday, June 25, the Vice President describes her father as an ailing 80-year-old. According to the Vice President, her father being detained is already considered an injustice.
Well, sa akin lang, as a lawyer, bakit ka pa naglagay dyan ng provision of interim release sa iyong batas kung hindi mo rin naman pala yan ibibigay sa mga akusado, lalong-lalo na sa isang akusado na 80 years old na at kailangan ng assistant at kailangan ng caregiver. So, parang napakalaking question nun.
The Vice President then denies that her father continues to pose a threat to witnesses of his alleged crimes against humanity. She says he has never lifted a finger against them when he was still in the Philippines. She also questions the basis of using her influence as Vice President and her family statements against the ICC in opposing the request.
Dapat siguro ang kanilang pinagbabasihan lang ay yung actions and sinasabi ng akusado, hindi at kung ano yung sinasabi ng country where he will be released to. Napakamali na gagamit sila ng rason para ikontrahin ang petisyon ng isang akusado base sa statements ng pamilya.
However, the Vice President acknowledges that it is the prosecution's job to oppose what the defense proposes. She also admits that she has yet to actually read the prosecution's opposition in full. Rodrigo Duterte is facing crimes against humanity charges before the ICC in relation to his administration's bloody anti-drug campaign.